Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making tofu steak, pan-fried tofu with a soy sauce-based savory sauce with flavorful toppings. These are the ingredients. We recommend to use medium or firmer tofu so it will not fall apart during cooking. For more information about ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we prepare the toppings. Slice green onions thinly, and peel and grate ginger root and set aside, and cut tofu into 4 pieces. Wrap with layers of paper towels and remove moisture. Coat the tofu with katakuriko potato starch or cornstarch. Make sure to coat all the surfaces with the starch. Heat a frying pan with oil at medium heat and put tofu in a pan. And cook while slowly turning gently until all the surfaces are lightly browned. Add water, sake, mirin, and soy sauce, and cook for a couple of minutes, turning a few times. Reduce the sauce slightly. This is similar to teriyaki sauce, but it's lighter. You can add a little sugar if you like it sweeter. Serve immediately while hot and top with green onions, katsuobushi bonito flakes, and grated ginger. You can skip bonito flakes or ginger or simply top with some shredded nori seaweed. This can be a great appetizer or a main dish served with steamed rice. Hope you try it today.
美味しい。美味しいね。